Bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour la suite du let's play sur Life is Strange. La dernière fois on a traîné un petit peu dans la décharge avec Chloé, s'est entraîné à tirer sur des bouteilles. On a évité un drame. On a Frank qui est du coup le dealer de Chloé, à qui elle doit 3000 $ je crois, quelque chose comme ça, qu'on avait vite fait aperçu sur le parking du Two Wells, le diner. Donc il a un chien, il a une caravane. Il avait l'air de traîner. Il était aussi, on l'avait vu aussi à l'école. Donc c'est un gars qui a l'air de pas mal traîner. Et il a plus ou moins menacé Chloé. Et il a pris le flingue, puisque Max n'a pas osé tirer. Enfin, je n'ai pas osé tirer. Enfin, on va peut-être éviter de tuer des innocents, ce serait quand même dommage. Et chose intéressante, Chloé a noté qu'il avait un bracelet qui appartenait à Rachel. Donc a priori c'est qu'ils doivent se connaître. En même temps, si Chloé traînait avec, très certainement qu'ils se connaissent. Et donc là, on était en train de marcher sur des trucs de chemin de fer. Max avait une vision de la tempête encore, et Chloé a réussi à se coincer le pied dans le truc de rail. Elle pourrait enlever ses chaussures, mais bon, j'imagine qu'il va falloir qu'on aille la sauver. On est parti. Alors, ouais, je vais voir ce que je peux faire.
I need to pull the switching lever right now.
Non,
Can't even move it an inch.
marche pas.
Maybe I can open this fuse box. Awesome, it's not locked. I better find the tool to cut those wires.
Ok, alors. Quitte à gagner de temps, ce serait dommage d'avoir à le refaire, quoi. Donc, on ouvre ça. On va essayer d'aller chercher un outil. Pas se retrouver bloqué par la pierre, quand même. Alors... Oui, oui, oui. Ah, tu me diras peut-être que la cale, ça suffit, ceci étant, pour le faire basculer. Mais oui, je suis là, t'inquiète pas.
I can definitely use this bad boy.
Mhm. Oui, oui. Ah bah.
Score. Score.
Je disais donc. Carte.
Now I can pull a total MacGyver.
Pince. Et rien d'autre. Faut carrément récupérer une hache aussi.
Okay, what can I slice with this?
Oui, oui, oui.
Damn, something is blocking the drum.
Enlève la cale. Ah, avec le pied de biche. Ah oui. J'arrive,
Now I can
j'arrive.
finally move the drum. I have to help lift Chloe up. The train's coming! Max, please!
Évidemment. Voilà, ça t'apprendra à jouer sur les rails.
You saved me again. Chrissy. We're totally wrong.
Ouais, ça sent un peu l'univers essaye de te tuer quand même. Hein.
Splinters in my ass and legs, so I wish there was a less violent way for you to save me. And now the trains can't get to the lumber mill. Oops. Aren't you glad I took you away to a nice, quiet, desolate spot?
It was cool to spend time in your lair, but I have to get back to school before my next class.
Since you're the mysterious superhero, I'll be your faithful chauffeur and companion.
My powers
Mais
might not
elles
last
sont
long.
folles.
That's okay.
Tirez-vous de ces rails.
Forever.
Pas possible ça. Il pleut. En plus on se prend la pluie. Ah bah avec ça.
Thanks for the ride, Chloe. Right on time for my art lesson.
Thanks for coming with me. Sorry to be so boring.
Nothing exciting ever happens to us, right?
Listen, your rewind power has to be connected to that snow yesterday. That might explain your tornado vision.
Explain what? Snow equals a ginormous twister that takes out Arcadia Bay? You're high.
Wake up, Max. You saved my life twice now. You altered the course of my destiny, yours, and whoever. Do you know about chaos theory?
What do you know about chaos theory, Miss I Hate Math?
5 years ago, asswipe. Some people change. And your situation is the perfect storm for quantum physics.
Why me?
C'est sûr.
I'm just a geek girl in some small town.
A perfect example of strange attractors. Don't they teach you kids anything at Blackwell? We have a tornado, rewind power, and freak snow. Hello, Armageddon. So let's party with your power, Rockstar!
Like he said, Professor Price, a superhero needs a sidekick.
How can it be such a shitty week and yet one of the best of my life?
Because we're back in action again.
Eh ben, dis donc, si c'est ça qui se produit quand vous êtes toutes les deux, en à peine une semaine. C'était peut-être la façon pour l'univers de dire les filles, vous allez faire des conneries. Il pleut et les gens restent dehors. Je sais bien qu'il doit faire 25 degrés, mais quand même. C'est genre tout sauf agréable d'avoir les fringues trempées. Ah, entrer dans le Vortex Club. Octobre. Et une date? Pas vu.
I have a little time before Mr. Jefferson's class, so I can do some wandering.
Ah, évidemment. On a l'occasion de partir à plein de monde.
So are you going to that Vortex Club party?
Like I would miss it, I have the sweetest outfit.
Justin.
Justin always looks stoned.
Tu vas lui parler? Oh.
It's the invasion of the Vortex Club.
Ouais.
I wouldn't want to be at an end-of-the-world party with Nathan Prescott. Too
Moi non
much
plus.
truth in advertising.
10 octobre, c'est pas vendredi justement? Jeudi soir. À la piscine, ok. On rassure pas les masses tout ça. Tu peux pas rentrer dans ton bureau?
I swear, Principal Wells always looks distressed.
Ouais, il y a
Sir?
peut-être des raisons, hein.
Oh, hello, Max. I hope this isn't about the alleged gun incident.
Alleged? Nathan did have a gun. Have you talked to him yet?
Yes, he's deeply upset about this accusation. I don't
Évidemment.
blame him. Once I have all the facts, we'll talk. For the moment, focus on your schoolwork.
I can't focus when I'm scared.
Please don't say that. There's nothing to be scared of at Blackwell Academy.
Je dirais pas
Our head
rien,
of
mais...
security is overseeing a new era of campus safety.
I saw Mr. Madsen hassle Kate Marsh yesterday.
Wait. Do you see a pattern here, Max?
Probably not the same one you see.
It's very easy for you to instantly accuse people of doing terrible things. Nathan, Mr. Madsen, who's next?
Toi
Now,
peut-être?
if you'll excuse me, I have a meeting.
Ouais, c'est ça. Mais écoute, au moins je t'ai parlé de Kate. Si tu fais rien, ce sera ta faute. Respecter les classes. Être gentil, faire ses devoirs. Écouter à celui qui parle. Dans la lunchroom. Donc... Ah, ne pas jeter la nourriture. Je pense que ça va être pick up your trash, donc nettoyer. Ah non, pick up after you. Donc, nettoyer et respect your... quelque chose. Après les affiches, ça peut être globalement la même chose.
Zachary always looks
Zachary.
like he's ready to throw a football. Hello, Zach.
Sup, Max? It's weird to not see you without your camera.
I'm
Comment
always
ça?
taking pictures with my eyes.
I bet. As long as you don't talk to everybody about all that shit with the sext in Victoria.
I won't. That's what Victoria wanted.
Yeah. I noticed she kind of set up her own drama.
Yep.
Even if it fucks her over. Weird.
She doesn't have to, though.
That's what I don't get at all. When she's hot, rich, talented, what more does she need? Anyway, see you at the game Friday, Max.
Je suis pas sûre, un vendredi, vous voulez pas annuler ou faire quelque chose? Je suis pas convaincue. Je suis vraiment pas convaincue. Des affiches. On peut aller aux toilettes? J'ai cru que c'était Victoria, tu vois, de loin. Courtney, est-ce qu'on peut discuter un petit peu?
Courtney will do anything for Victoria and the Vortex Club. Hey, Courtney. Ciao, Max. No photos, please. I have to come up with a guest list for a Vortex Club soirée.
Tu peux m'ajouter?
Really? Oh, like you care.
Bah oui.
I'm not anti-soirée. You seem anti-fashion, though. A Vortex Club party has a strict dress code. Do you even have a dress? Sorry, but nice try.
Té.
Hey, Courtney. Ciao, Matt. Really? Oh, like you care. I'm sure the Vortex Club has a dress code. As you can see, I would need your advice on what to wear. Thanks,
Bien joué.
Max. I didn't think you noticed high fashion. Tell you what, I'll put you down on the guest list, and before the party, I can give you some tips. Cool.
Ça me va.
Thanks, Courtney. I'll send you the party info later. Back to the list.
Mais voilà, quand on est gentil avec les gens, les choses se passent bien. C'est pourtant pas si compliqué à comprendre, tu sais. Trevor.
Trevor surveys his domain.
Non, mais donc Trevor et Justin, tu peux pas leur parler, quoi. Les deux Stone. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça?
Good thing I left my AK at home.
Ah oui, Gun Free Zone. Tu peux pas t'acheter un truc à manger? Non. David!
If only I knew what David Madsen was really up to.
Peut-être qu'il veut juste protéger.
Excuse me, Mr. Madsen?
I know things got a little heated yesterday in Chloe's room.
Yep.
Was that really your reefer?
No, it belonged to a friend of mine. Are you gonna bust me now, Mr. Madsen?
Even I'm not that much of an asshole. And I am sorry about yesterday. I was wrong, but upset. Cannabis is not a big deal to you, but it has been to Chloe.
You're a combat veteran. She's no threat to you.
If I didn't care about her, I wouldn't care at all.
On est
When I
bien
was
d'accord.
her age, I was out raising a lot more hell.
Ah ouais!
She's better than that. All you kids are. So is Kate Marsh.
What about Kate?
You stepped between us at a pretty bad time. She's another matter entirely.
Kate hasn't done anything wrong.
Max, this isn't just about Kate Marsh. My concern is for the safety of all Blackwell students, including you.
That'll take more than surveillance cameras.
It will take more than Ms. Grant and her petition to find missing students.
C'est sûr.
Isn't that your responsibility as head of security? Unless you know something about Rachel Amber that nobody else does.
I don't want to fight
Max.
with you anymore. I don't want to fight with anyone anymore.
Il a bien raison.
That's all, Max.
Mais il est gentil quand tu regardes un petit peu. Oui, il est un petit. Il a un côté nounours en fait. Dur à l'extérieur, mais qui tient aux gens à l'intérieur. Puis, Joyce, elle a pas l'air d'être. Reine. Viens t'asseoir au hall de science. Je suis dans la salle de science-fiction. Maintenant, je suis pas le chaton de Schrödinger. J'arrive tout de suite. Je l'aime bien, Warren.
I
Il est
still
marrant.
have time. I could go see Warren playing mad scientist in the lab.
Mm.
Luke is always using the phone as a shield to avoid people.
On t'a quasiment pas, on t'a pas parlé à toi. Hein. Dis donc, Luc, j'aimerais bien en apprendre plus sur toi.
Victoria and her friends shopping for the party.
That reminds
Ah oui,
me,
elle a
I
changé
could score
de.
some weed from Nathan.
I really hope this jackass will use protection next time. I really hope this jackass will use protection next time. Juliet is laying the smackdown on Zachary.
Bah écoute. Science.
Yes, this poster must stop bullies dead in their tracks.
Si seulement. Oh. Evan.
I love how Evan is so above the Vortex Club and everything else.
Bah écoute, tant mieux pour lui.
Yo, Maxwell Smart. Talk later, cool?
Ok.
Stop acting so blue.
I'm trying, but you have to understand my position.
Hey,
Dad,
Kate.
you don't understand mine. Nobody does. Nobody. What do you
Kate.
want from me?
Eh oh. Dis donc là.
Excuse me, Max.
Hop.
Come over here.
Sure.
You look worried. Is everything okay?
Sorry to bother you, Mr. Jefferson.
I'm only bothered when you avoid turning in photos. But you know this. So what can I do for you, Max?
Just between you and me, I'm worried about Kate Marsh.
That's no secret. Word on the street is that you and Kate had a little confrontation with our security chief yesterday.
Oui.
Not exactly. Never mind. Sorry. I have to go and work
Non,
on my
non, non,
photo.
non.
You can talk to me anytime. And Max, can I talk to you about Kate? I assume you know about this viral video?
Everybody knows. That's why I wanted to see you. Kate is being humiliated daily.
What if Kate brought this on herself?
Bah
She
tiens.
means well, but maybe she does protest too much. She seems like she's holding back the truth. Have you talked to her?
Quel
Yes, I
connard.
talked to her on the phone today. She needs friends and support now. I just don't want Kate Marsh to become the next Rachel Amber.
Rachel Amber? What does she have to do with Kate?
With all her missing persons posters around, it's hard not to think of her.
I miss Rachel too. But think about yourself, Max. Principal Wells told me about what you said happened in the bathroom.
Non, confidentiel, c'est un
It
prof.
did happen. Nathan Prescott had a gun in the girls' bathroom yesterday.
This is a serious accusation, Max.
So you don't believe me?
Visiblement non.
I would never make something like this up.
I hope so, Max. But it's easy to point fingers. If Mr. Madsen claims you might be a pot dealer as he did, should I believe him?
Listen, should I?
Excuse me, Max. Hello? Yes? Hold on. I have to take this, so just go into class and I'll be there soon.
Non, non. J'ai autre chose à faire.
Wonder why they don't use real skeletons.
Sérieusement? Je sais pas, puisque les gens méritent pas d'être exposés comme ça. Oh, j'avais vu, il y avait un... Je sais plus dans quelle série c'était. Meurtre au paradis peut-être. Mais il y avait une femme qui s'était fait tuer par son mari qui était justement prof de sciences. Et c'était son cadavre en fait qu'il utilisait après l'avoir dissous dans l'acide et tout. Bon. Brooke.
Brooke always kind of pretends like I'm almost not there. Why?
Parce qu'elle a un crush sur ton meilleur ami.
Hi, Max. Making your daily rounds?
Oui. C'est pas le problème.
How's your drone?
Miss Grant busted me flying it over the parking lot. She's all jacked up about surveillance bullshit. Like I was spying on Warren's new car.
You already planted a GPS on him?
I borrowed the one he has on you.
I hate to hit one,
Can't
but
be that hard.
Don't let me get in your way. So long.
Aquarium.
I bet if I touch the glass, all these creepy sea critters will pop up.
Peut-être bien. Alors, Warren il est là. Mrs. Grant.
Hi, Miss Grant.
Funny, I was just thinking about you, Max.
Bah tiens.
Thanks again for taking a stand against camera surveillance here. Every signature counts.
how's your campaign going?
You signed the petition, now it's your campaign too. Thanks for stepping up. More people would rather send a text than sign a petition. That's how they keep
Et
us
ouais.
distracted. Nobody will notice cameras on every square foot.
I know. I really hope you keep those cameras from taking over Blackwell.
Max, with students like you, we sure will.
Bah écoute, on va faire de notre mieux. Hein. On dirait le même genre de classeur qu'il y avait sur la preview.
I'm just thinking
Avec le nom de
about all
Rachel ou
the
de Kate, je
old
sais plus.
photos I want to take.
Oh, this is my favorite time of year. I do love the season change. This whole campus is a visual delight. I know Mr. Jefferson loves to shoot around here.
You must know Mr. Jefferson pretty well by now.
I certainly know him as a talented artist and terrific teacher. I've been here a little longer, but he's made a bigger mark. I have to say, it's not quite autumn enough yet.
What about that snow yesterday? What's your scientific explanation?
Je ne sais
Our
pas.
climate is moving beyond explanation. Of course, some of the tribes here might see it different.
I'm sorry, Miss Grant, but I have to get going.
Go on, Max. We'll talk again.
C'est
Real
ça.
soon.
Fuis devant la réalité de ton pays. T'as raison. Putain, mais c'est vrai, j'avais pas remarqué en fait. Ta gueule de chimie.
Bring me the brain, Igor. There's Mr. Wizard.
It's
Hold it right.
alive. It's
Hey,
alive.
Warren. Are you okay? You look thoughtful yet confused.
Maxwell Silver Hammer. Perfect timing. I need help with this chemical experiment.
Asking me for help means you're screwed.
Have that either a bit of potassium or sodium. It's up to you to decide, Dr. Max.
Sodium.
I have a vision. Go DM.
Godium? That's the worst pun I've ever heard. Yet Max
Go
has
go
spoken.
gadgeto.
Sodium it is.
Voilà.
Damn. Zip. Nothing. Now.
Potassium.
Hey, Warren.
Maxwell,
Asking.
have that either.
I'm not sure why you're letting me decide your fate, but go potassium.
Potassium it shall be. If this works, you get a free hug.
Ah.
Weird science. Yes, I am a scientist. Fuck.
Bah écoute, amuse-toi bien, Warren. Tant que tu fous pas le feu, hein. Tu discutes depuis tout à l'heure, toi? Eh ben. Ah, erreur du quotidien. C'était là.
Stella is smart to stay out of all the drama.
Tu m'étonnes.
Out of control. Turn left, then right. Show me the love.
Ah, celle qu'on prend la photo. Ah, je suis dépitée, j'en aurais au moins loupé 2.
Not now, Max. I'm contemplating shit.
Ok. Salut Daniel.
What's up, Daniel?
Waiting to drop Dana after Hayden gets his paparazzi on. I hope you liked the sketch I did of you yesterday.
Yeah.
Love. And it's my new avatar.
Excellent. I got tons of likes on FB. Ah, made you blush.
Shut up.
Someday your portrait may hang in the Daniel De Costa wing of the Louvre. We'll talk about it later.
Ça marche. Alors.
I'm kind of doing something now, Max.
Ouais, je vois. Tiens, Nathan s'est pointé à l'école. Pourquoi il était pas là hier, derrière ça?
Max. Posing in progress.
Yeah.
Do you think Max will be pissed we're sitting at her desk?
Sans doute. T'inquiète pas, j'ai un prêt.
No time to talk, Max.
Ok.
Progress. Or she'll run to Mr. Jefferson like he gives a shit.
Like anybody does.
I can't believe the principal lets him stay in school after I told him what happened.
On va déjà discuter avec Victoria. Hein.
Even if Victoria ignores me, I'm glad we talked yesterday.
Better be quiet, Victoria. We have a master snitch and liar here.
Did you think we were best friends forever or something?
Not at all, Victoria.
Max is such an attention whore.
You would know. Can I sit down now?
Oh, please do. Take a selfie of this moment.
Yeah, Max, so I won't forget you.
Assholes.
Bah, écoute, c'est qu'elle doit apprécier sa compagnie, hein. Je vais pas vous parler. Ils sont peut-être ensemble. Mais Victoria a un côté plus sympa, donc peut-être qu'elle comprend que Nathan a des problèmes. Va savoir. Si c'est ça, elle aura mon respect pour le coup. Oh.
Okay, why is David taking photos of Kate? Now this is so wrong and weird.
Ouais, il soupçonne qu'il y a des trucs bizarres qui se passent, donc... Monsieur a fini ses expériences?
What up, Max?
Hey, Warren.
I saw Kate earlier and her eyes were puffy from crying.
Kate has a lot on her plate.
I didn't know what to say and she didn't tell me anything.
Okay, I know you love me, but if you're not in this class, beat it. Everybody else, please sit
Maybe
down.
I'll
We
see
have
you
a lot
later.
to cover today, and so little time as usual.
Eh oui.
I see all the usual suspects here. Anybody seen Kate Marsh?
I think everybody has seen Kate Marsh by now.
It's cool that Mr. Jefferson published his own little book of photo tips.
Capturer l'instant.
She's not feeling good.
Sounds
guess
like you're
Caitlin
giggling
is
about a
class
video
now.
going viral.
I'm worried
Maybe
about
it
her.
involves a student or a friend. I wonder how it would feel to have false images of yourself shot out all over the world for people to judge. No smartphones in class, Max.
Oh!
Put that away. Usually, people need something to judge, so they never take a
C'est quoi ton problème?
good look at themselves. We can thank reality TV for some of that. In the end, we can only blame ourselves for participating.
Nathan est pas en classe de photo?
Speaking of participation, there are a few souls here who
J'aurais
get to
cru.
enter a photo in the contest. Like Max Caulfield, for example, who I know can't wait to enter, right? I'm sure you read the syllabus like it was a Harry Potter book, so you must know today we're studying chiaroscuro. That beautiful word about the contrast between light and dark. The shadow play that gives photography such visual power. It's basic yin and yang. Black and white images are effective precisely because of
Ça doit
the
être tellement bien
contrast.
d'avoir autant peu de
Although
monde
we
dans
don't
une classe.
technically see and monitor.
Yo! Some crazy shit is going down at the girl's door.
Zachary,
Check it.
do not come into my class like that ever again. Listen, everybody remain seated. Dismissed.
Is this for real?
Kate. Oh mon dieu.
No! Oh god. I have to do something to help her.
Not again. Not now. I have to try something. I won't be able to rewind again and again.
Wow. Bon. Brooke.
Keep going, Max. You can do it.
Et on va s'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui. Ça nous fait sur un excellent cliffhanger. Alors qui est absolument pas drôle. Si jamais vous avez des problèmes dans ce genre-là, je sais que c'est pas évident. Je sais qu'on trouve pas toujours les personnes qu'il faut. et que les gens vous croient pas toujours, il faut en parler. Je sais, c'est facile à dire comme ça, hein, clairement, mais qu'est-ce que je peux dire qu'est-ce que je peux dire qui semble pas bateau ou déjà préécrit? Je suis certaine que toutes les personnes qui verront cette vidéo, que ce soit une, deux ou plus, hein, allez savoir, je suis sûre que toutes les personnes qui regarderont cette vidéo sont des très belles personnes au fond. Vous avez pu faire des mauvaises choses. Je suis pas là pour vous juger, je connais pas votre vie. Si vous avez fait des mauvaises choses, bah vous pouvez toujours tenter de vous améliorer. On peut faire des erreurs. Si vous avez l'impression, au contraire, que vous n'êtes pas du tout une bonne personne ou que votre vie va mal, suffisamment mal pour envisager le suicide, pas en parler, écrivez. Peut-être, si vous n'arrivez pas à vous exprimer à l'oral, écrivez sur le papier ce que vous ressentez. Je suis passée par là, ça m'a aidé à une époque, mais s'il vous plaît, vous êtes des belles personnes et vous méritez de vivre. Comme un personnage d'un visual novel que j'aime beaucoup le dit, il n'y a aucune faute suffisamment grave qu'on puisse pas pardonner. Soit parce qu'on peut réparer notre erreur, soit parce que de toute façon, si on peut pas la réparer, ça sert à rien de rester en colère ad vitam aeternam, ça fait juste souffrir les personnes concernées. Enfin bref, j'imagine que ça donne l'impression que je récite un truc ou autre, mais vraiment, si vous avez ce genre de problème, il faut pas abandonner. Si vous avez encore des belles choses à vivre, j'en suis convaincue. Bref, on se retrouve pour le prochain épisode et puis on va aller sauver Kate, ça c'est une certitude. Voilà, sur ce, à la prochaine, bye.